All right, today we're going to have another look at one of Texas Jim's locks. This lock has been a story of untold headaches for me. I've spent many hours trying to pick it. Anyway, there's the bitting on the key. And every time I was trying to pick it, I was trying to pick it to the right. And today, I just decided to try to pick it to the left. And it was opening for me just like taking candy from a baby. So sometimes the stars align and you're able to get in them that way. Anyway, Jim, thanks for the lock. This one's been real tricky. Start from the front on this one. Okay, got pin 1 and 2. Got pin 3 and it gave me a false set. Now the trick on this one is to get underneath the pin 4 because he's a real deep cut pin. And I'm just rotating my pick until he raises. There we go, got him. I'll come back and reset pin 2. And I'll come back and hit pin 5. I heard something drop. Looks like I overset pin 4 trying to go back into pin 5. So let's go ahead and start over again. There's my false set after hitting pin 1, 2, and 3. Okay, there's pin 4. And we have it open. And you can tell that I've already taken the clip off the back because it wanted to pull off on me there. So let's go ahead and slide the laptop back. And let's see what kind of pins that Texas Jim put in here. Medium follower. All right, in this 5-pin lock, pin 1 is a serrated. Pin 2 is serrated. Pin 3 is also serrated. Pin 4 is a standard. And pin 5 is a serrated key pin. Alright, so let's go up top. And I'll drop my picks everywhere. Alright, pin 1 is a spool. Pin 2 is a spool. Pin 3 is a standard. Pin 4 is a spool. And pin 5 is stuck below the shear line. Let me give him a good tap here. Got all the springs to pop out. Pin 5 is a drunken spool. Anyway, guys, there we go. I'll give you a little bit of a far away view from the pins, and then at the end of the video, I'll go ahead and put a picture of them just like I normally do. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Stay legal, and don't do anything dangerous.